with me, Pooja. So, this Golmaal again naka parayna pole. Innathe video is actually oru second part aanu. It's Dmart Smart Shopping Haul again. Allengil part 2 naka parayam. So, welcome to that. Yes, I'm deeply and madly in love with Dmart because I do believe in discount shopping. I do believe in saving some money because that gives you happiness, right? So, I Dmart shopping. This time I bought more of groceries. I think in this times bill amount, total bill amount, I have saved 1,800 rupees, which is like a wow thing, right? Not a bad amount, not a less amount. I actually rented a dress. Okay, anyway. So this time's my favorite item I bought from Dmart is this boxes. So I'll show you first. So this is a you can say bamboo. I don't know whether it's bamboo. It's a very lightweight, very beautiful, cute looking box like this. So you can actually store your small jewelries or keys if you want. You can store that. Then a chariya version undunde, kutti version of that box like this. So I'll tell you the price. This one is for 29 rupees and this box is actually for 99 rupees, which is okay, right? So if you want to buy like return gifts type thing, if you are conducting a party at home and then a function return gift wedding gift, if you buy some jewelry or something and if you want a good box for it, I think this is a better option, right? And that's my favorite. There is one more I'll show you. And these are like storage boxes. These are microwave friendly, microwave safe boxes. This is for 35 rupees. These 3 boxes are for 35 rupees. So we can store like sabji, curry baki ndarnathu, upperi baki ndarnathu okke namukku idile store cheyavunnathaanu. Or you can even take like curries for lunch to office. And next thing is this glasses. This is a nostalgic feel only because in Kerala, at my place, we still use these steel glasses. We don't use these fancy glass, like what do you call, transparent glasses for water or something. If you'll come to my place or if you'll go to Kerala home, you will get water, or even we drink coffee or tea in these kind of steel glasses, right? So the so I thought I'll buy this. This is actually for MRP is 126, but the special price is Dmart price is 119 for 3 glasses, and these are good quality glasses. Okay, it's not like very thin. I think durable light la sambhavana. Okay, then I bought this beautiful indigo type, indigo design pillow cover, which is MRP is 125, Dmart price is 99. This same box I have set to so 35, 70 rupees, 6 boxes. Then this bottle. I know plastic bottles are not good for storing water or anything, but I love the shape and the color. Nalluru green color. So this is for 19 rupees. So you might think that cheap means cheap quality. I don't think so. So if not water, you can actually store oil, or even you can store see, bottles are not only for liquid storage, okay? ഇതിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പഞ്ചസാരയും ദാലും ഒക്കെ ഇട്ട് വെക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. ബാച്ചിലേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് താമസിക്കുന്നവർക്കൊക്കെ ഇത് ധാരാളമാണ്. ഇത് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സംഭവമാണ്. It depends on you, yeah. I mean, there is no rule that you can't use bottles to store sugar or anything. So I've got 2 bottles. Then again, storage boxes. These are like 5 containers. 5 containers. So this is microwavable, deep freezable, dishwasher safe. Okay, and this is for 29 rupees. 5 containers, 29 rupees. Then yeah, this is another box. Multicolored one, same box in there. Same box in there. I love this. Okay, this is so cute. Gifts option. Then yeah, this is something I want to show you. Like if you'll go and buy 250 500 grams of dry fruits, how much you'll have to pay? Just tell me. Not less than 500, right? So either mixed dry fruits aanu. Idile ella sanu kaju undu, badam undu, kismish undu, angane kore sambhavangal undu. Adinte oru mix 500 gram nu 246 aanu idinte MRP, but enki kittiyது I think 218 angane endu aanu. So I'm really happy about this. Then എനിക്ക് ഷാംപൂ വാങ്ങിക്കണമായിരുന്നു. I want to buy a big bottle because എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ ഷാംപൂ വാങ്ങിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ചെറിയ ചെറിയ ബോട്ടിൽസ് വാങ്ങിച്ചിട്ട് പെട്ടെന്ന് അത് തീർന്നു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ വീണ്ടും we'll have to buy another one. So I thought we'll buy a big bottle which will last for 1 or 2 months. So I thought I was searching for the shampoo and I found the Sunsilk dry and damaged hair expert, which is perfect for my kind of hair, and Bangalore hair type nu pattiyadanu thoni. So this is actually 5 natural oils ulladanu, and it's actually 650 ml is 370 on MRP, but I got it for 355. I don't think it's a big money. I think it's a worth buy. So that's it. ഇത്രയും ഒക്കെയാണ് നിങ്ങളെ കാണിക്കുന്നത്. ബട്ട് ഐ ഹാവ് ഗോട്ട് റൈസ്, ദാൽ, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സാധനങ്ങൾ. അതൊന്നും നിങ്ങളെ കാണിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. ബട്ട് trust me, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not promoting like Dmart or something, but I loved Dmart's discount prices and their variety of products and the quality also. So if you are looking for a budget shopping, I would recommend Dmart. So try it and let me know ningalku ee video ishtamayo illiyo ennullathu. Subscribe ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവർ subscribe ചെയ്യുക. എൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡിമാർട്ട് ഷോപ്പിംഗ് ഹാൾ വീഡിയോ കാണാത്തവർക്കായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ലിങ്ക് താഴെ ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, അതും കാണുക. ആൻഡ് ഒരുപാട് പേര് കഴിഞ്ഞ വീഡിയോനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു എവിടെയാണ് ആ ഓർഗാനിക് വെജിറ്റബിൾ ഫാം എന്ന്. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ വർത്തൂർ. സോ ലൈക്ക് ഫാർമസൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു ആപ്പ് ഉണ്ട്, അത് ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യുക. ബാംഗ്ലൂരുള്ളവർക്കാണിത്. സോ അത് ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാ ഫാംസിൻ്റെയും details kittum. You can book the plot. You will get all the details. Okay, so adinte link njan thaale idunadayirikkum. So watch all my videos and let me know ningalku ishtapetto illiyo ennullathu. So adutha video il kanunavare ellarum happy aayirikka, healthy aayirikka and safe aayirikka. Keep watching my videos. I love you guys so much.